accelerating performance in manufacturing and machine tools. In the age of the Fourth Industrial Revolution and the emergence of the smart factory, manufacturing techniques are evolving fast. Automation is changing manufacturing forever, from mass production using industrial robots through to individual 3D printing. The drivers of this change are the same as ever, with continued focus on improving productivity while maintaining product quality and operational safety. Production must run smoothly and flawlessly. Reliable performance creates efficient throughput and consistent quality, even in the most complex of applications. Driven by the increasing use of data, the industrial Internet of Things, and the need to protect the environment, processing equipment is evolving to operate more reliably, safely, and sustainably than ever before. Trelleborg solutions are helping to drive this evolution, minimizing waste, extending the service life of machinery, and preventing downtime. Engineering and manufacturing are inextricably linked, and Trelleborg's innovative solutions are helping to drive the manufacturing sector to a more productive tomorrow. Trelleborg, for better business in manufacturing and machine tools.